In today's video, I will walk you through how to use CoinMarketCap to monitor Bitcoin and crypto markets. Start by checking the market information displayed at the top of CoinMarketCap. This header section provides the main market metrics you need to review before checking individual cryptocurrencies. First, look at the cryptos count to see the total number of assets being tracked. Next, check the total market cap value, which shows the combined value of all cryptocurrencies. Monitor whether this number is increasing or decreasing over time. Then, review the 24-hour volume metric. This shows the total trading activity across exchanges in the last 24 hours. Compare the volume with current market movements to review the strength of price changes. Next, check the dominance metrics for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Review Bitcoin's market share compared with the rest of the cryptocurrency market. When Bitcoin dominance increases, investors may be moving toward Bitcoin. When Bitcoin dominance decreases while the total market cap increases, this can indicate money moving into alternative cryptocurrencies. After reviewing the header metrics, check the Fear and Greed Index. You can find this on the homepage or by using the search bar. Review the current index value. Values between 0 and 25 show extreme fear, while values between 75 and 100 show extreme greed. To customize your market view, create a watch list for the cryptocurrencies you want to monitor. Click the star icon next to Bitcoin and your selected assets. Then click the Watchlist tab at the top of the main cryptocurrency table. This will display only the assets you selected. To monitor different crypto sectors, open the Categories tab located above the main cryptocurrency leaderboard. Review the available categories, including Layer 1, DeFi, AI tokens, Layer 2, and real-world assets. Sort the categories by 24-hour percentage change or 7-day percentage change to view which sectors are currently moving. To analyze Bitcoin's long-term chart, select Bitcoin and scroll down to the chart section. Change the time frame setting to all, then change the chart display from Lien, which represents linear, to log, which represents linear blog. The logarithmic chart setting allows you to view Bitcoin price movements based on percentage changes instead of absolute price values. Use this setting when reviewing Bitcoin's previous long-term market cycles. By reviewing the header metrics, market sentiment, watch lists, categories, and Bitcoin chart settings, you can monitor Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market directly through CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.